So after 2 weeks, I've completely gutted the camper van and got where I wanted to be. There's Mia, she's sitting in the front seat. She's desperate to go on a trip, just desperate. She always wants to come and sit out here, see what's going on. So in the back, I've started painting this. I'm going to paint everything white. So I'm going to keep these cushions and just put a blanket over them. Dogs will probably be sitting on here. That wall's going to be cladded with pine. That's where the kitchen used to be. I tried out that dark blue paint, didn't like it, and I went for the white. I'm going to keep those little cupboards there, put doors on them. Toilet fits in there, so I'm just going to build a bench there, and so the toilet's built in. And this side, it's quite tidy. This is with a built-in toilet. I've been doing some shopping for my van, and I was really pleased with these cupboards I bought. These are IKEA cupboards. They're brand new, and they're white, but gloss white, so they should be easy to clean. But this is my epic fail so far. Bought this thing, thought, well, I need a proper size sink. And it's like way too big. I mean, you'd think I'd have measured it, wouldn't you? Oh, look at this. Far too big. Yes, I bought the units on Facebook Marketplace, and I bought wall units so that they would take up less room. But obviously the sink is designed for a base unit, so I didn't sort of make that connection, did I, when I was doing all my calculations. I have done loads of plans actually drawing up this thing, but they didn't include the sink for some unknown reason. So anyway, here's some other shopping I've done. I bought a proper harness for Mia, who wants to sit in the front of the van. So it's a proper one with the seat belts. And then these are the curtains I bought. So these curtains are to go here. You see there's a curtain rail, and there are like fully white curtains there. So these are grey, and they're from Next, but they like second hand. They were £15. I mean new on eBay, but not from the shop. But they're thermal and blackout curtains, but they're too long. So the idea is that I'd cut the bottom off to make the side windows, and on the side windows I'm going to cut some insulation foil and then cut the material to go round it and make little curtains which fit in. I ordered magnets as well, but then the side window doesn't have any metal on it, it's got rubber around it. And then the carpets, I don't know how you fit them on there. On the back you can see where the metal is, so the curtains would fit to the metal, so the magnets would sit on the metal which is going around there. Here's some other shopping I've done. I've got the carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. I've got hinges for making storage units. I have wood glue. I have, hopefully this is the right plumbing stuff, I don't know. I've also got some of those hose clamps somewhere. Yeah, those hose clamps. This I bought, I'm not sure if it's the right thing, but this is meant to replace that. So that's a bit of an eyesore, just a random extension lead. And then these are the wires which are from like a sort of music system. So this looks a bit smarter, so hopefully that will stick on the wall there. Although I'm getting a friend to help me with the wiring. Also, I've got a shower, a random shower. It's called Camp Shower. And you just fill it with water and then you put it on your dashboard so it warms up from the sun. And then it's got this tap at the bottom. It's also got, I'm not really sure, yeah, this thing here, it's got this hose which also fits on, so you can have like a little sprinkle on yourself. But that's my low-tech solution to a shower. Although most of the time I'll just be swimming, not bother with washing. So there's all my shopping. Actually I could crack on and do these curtains today. Yeah, do try that. Hi everyone, Important day today. I've got Trevor here helping me, and we're putting the kitchen together and doing the flooring all in one day. So I've got all the bits ready. I've done loads of shopping. I've even got, it's the important thing, the correct size sink at last. I'll show you the wrong size sink I used earlier. So these are my kitchen cupboards. Got 3 cupboards. They're from IKEA. They've been built in over the wheel arch. So the wheel arch will be the cupboard inside, will be the shelf inside the cupboard. And they just fit nicely on top. And then I've got my sink here, which goes into that one there. Perfectly. There's my electricity. What I'm going to do. And that's Trevor cutting the back out of the little cupboard. And then here we are, experimenting with the floor. This is my flooring. It's bamboo flooring. Really nice colour. So I've removed these little bits of wood that were here, there, to make it into bed. So they can be cut to the right height. I'm going to do the kitchen, flooring, and then the electrics, hopefully all in one day. Well, about 2 hours, hopefully.
Picking my nose, scratching my head, trying to get this levelled up.
And the water bottles are far too big. I knew that would happen.
Someone bought enormous water bottles.
No, that is far too big. 25 litres. But you think you'd need a lot of water, wouldn't you?
Well, you will.
Even system. Run out. I could always put the water in under the front seat or something.
Yeah, or put it here, put it in the middle, and then put it outside when you arrive at your destination.
So, there's the floor going down. Sit in nicely together. Perfectly. So there's my floor. Lovely bamboo flooring all the way down. On that piece of wood there, I'm going to make a table on top of the other wheel arch. So next week I'm going to start doing the cladding. So it's just the cladding, electrics, and the plumbing. But I've got the kitchen and the floor. I'm about halfway already.